Welcome back to our channel. Today we're sharing 10 essential iPhone tips that will help you get the most out of your device. Let's dive right in. Tip 1. Lift subject from a photo. Starting with iOS 16, you can lift the subject of a photo away from the background. Just touch and hold the subject until you see an outline appear. Lift your finger, tap copy, and then paste it into a supported app like Messages. It's a great way to share images creatively. Bonus tip. Use echo screen effect. Here's a bonus tip. In Messages, use the echo screen effect when sending the lifted subject to really wow your friends. Tip 2. Customize your lock screen. Next, let's personalize your lock screen. In edit mode, swipe left to explore various photo styles, including color filters and more. Make your lock screen truly yours. Tip 3. View Wi-Fi passwords. Need to see the password for your current Wi-Fi network? Go to Settings. Tap Wi-Fi, then the I button next to your network. Tap the password and use Face ID or Touch ID to reveal it. Easy access. Tip 4. Create text replacements. If you often type the same phrases, create a text replacement. Go to Settings, tap General, then Keyboard, and select Text Replacement. Add your phrase and a shortcut. Now, typing is faster and more efficient. Tip 5. Quick access to low power mode. Quickly access low power mode from Control Center. In Settings, tap Control Center, scroll down and add low power mode. To activate it, swipe down from the top right corner or up from the bottom and tap the low power mode button. Tip 6. Select multiple photos with multi-touch. You can select multiple photos at once using a multi-touch gesture. Touch and hold a photo, then drag it slightly. With another finger, tap additional photos to add them to your selection. Share them easily with other apps. Tip 7. Open camera quickly. Need to take a quick picture? Just swipe left on your lock screen to open the camera without unlocking your iPhone. It's that simple. Tip 8. Translate text using live text. Translate text around you using live text. Point your camera at the text, tap the live text button, and select Translate. The text will be translated to your iPhone set language instantly. Tip 9. Scan documents with Notes app. Did you know you can scan documents with the Notes app? In a note, tap the camera button, select Scan Documents, and position the document in the viewfinder. It scans automatically and you can save it when you're done. Tip 10. Jump to the first photo in Photos app. Finally, if you want to jump to the first photo in an album or library, just tap the top edge of your iPhone screen. To return to the most recent photo, tap the tab at the bottom of the screen. And there you have it, 10 essential iPhone tips to enhance your experience. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more great content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.